Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a new sweet potato pie recipe because I have an old one uploaded already, but this one is kind of 2.0 so to speak, because I wanted to try a different recipe and this is what I came up with. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl and the exact measurements will be listed down below as always. Before I started this, I also baked 2 big sweet potatoes. Here you can see me add the sugar and then some salt. And as I said, I pre-baked these sweet potatoes with 180 degrees Celsius for an hour, and I cut them in half as well. Now give that a quick mix, and then you want to go ahead and add the butter. And you want to start quickly kneading that into a dough. You want to be as fast as you can or not use your hand, but a kitchen machine. I don't have one, so I used my hands. If you feel like you need more liquid, you can add some very cold water to that and then put it in the fridge. Now again, this is the baked potato, the baked sweet potato. So as you can see, this is cooled down now. I did that in the morning after preparing breakfast. I just threw them into the oven for an hour so they would be ready for baking in the afternoon. And then you want to scrape all of the sweet potato out of the peel, which is very easy. And then you just want to go through with a fork, make sure that there's no bigger lumps. Then you want to add this sweetened condensed milk. This will give it a very nice taste. I was a bit afraid that it would be too sweet, but I think it works out quite well. And then you want to add some melted butter. And some brown sugar. 2 eggs. And then the spices, some nutmeg. Some ginger and some cinnamon. You also want to add a little bit more salt and then some vanilla extract. Now give that a quick mix until everything is combined completely. Then you can set that to the side to move on with the crust. I spread the crust throughout my baking tin with some baking paper in the bottom, and again try to be quick with that or roll it out with a rolling pin. I also tried to do a little bit of the edge there, but it didn't work out in the end so well. So then you want to put this into the fridge for another hour or into the freezer for 15 minutes. And then you're ready to bake with 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I had it in a little bit too long, so I wasn't really happy with that. And then you want to spread the sweet potato mixture on top of this and make sure you distribute it evenly to create this nice layer. And then you can bake again with 200 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Again, mine was in a little bit too long because I was cuddling the cat, so it turned out a little bit dark, but it still tasted really good. So just make sure it's not in there too long. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you were excited for some more fall recipes, and I will talk to you soon.